Okay, the next one we need to know is angles in the same segment. We call it A, B, C, D. So just to make it life easy, I'm just going to call this 1, 1, and 1. Then I don't have to label the whole thing. But obviously, this is going to be called CAD. A1, you could just call CAD, but I'm just going to call it A1. Quicker. So A1 is equal to B1. Okay. And that the reason is angles in same segment. Okay, so bow tie, often called bow tie theorem, we're just looking for bow ties. Okay, and then this one and this one will also be equal. It's of the same reason. C1 equals D1 angles in same segment. We just want to draw one example where, we want to be careful we don't miss it. Is sometimes you're going to get this bow tie looking really different to the other bow ties, because you might have a very small.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, so it's still angles in same segment. Okay. So you want to just be aware that sometimes you're going to be that's equal to that, and these pink ones are equal. Okay, so sometimes they're trickier to spot, but we just want to make sure that we have a bow tie and that A, B, and C, these ones here highlighted blue, all touch the circumference. If they're all touching the circumference and they're straight lines and they intersect to make a bow tie, then you're going to have angles in the same segment.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just look at why. So by definition, a segment is a part of the circle. I'll just highlight what a segment would look. So this is it's the wrong good color. So a segment represents something like that. So that's a segment. It's when you divide a circle using two lines like that.
Okay.
So that's a segment. So this is also a segment. Okay, the lines don't have to be parallel. Okay.
Right.
Okay, so if you see a segment like that, and the lines all intersect, you've got angles in the same segment. Okay,